Welcome back to Drive North. My name is Matt, and today we're down at RV1, which is just south of St. Augustine, Florida. And we're going to be checking out the Jayco Eagle 319 MLOK. So we'll do a tour of the outside, then we will go check out the inside too. All right, starting up front here, got your standard pin box, your front storage up here. Looks like it is prepped for a generator. It has separate storage compartments for your battery, and this rides on the ground control 4-point auto leveling system. Move off to the passenger side here. Two good size awnings, one over the front portion and one over the slide out. Your first storage compartment is going to be where one of two propane tanks are held. The other one is on the other side, and this is your pass-through storage. It does have the slam latch system with magnetic holders. Good size front storage area. It's a well finished off. You have some cable connections and household outlet as well. Has the step above flip out stair system. And these ride on 16-inch aluminum rims with Goodyear Endurance tires. This is where your outdoor kitchen is going to be. And it's a good outdoor kitchen. So you have a little mini fridge, and this is a slide out gas grill. You got some outlets down here and nice shelves with some more outlets, plug in for a TV. You got some lights, everything but a kitchen sink. And this slide out is on a cable driven system. All right, moving on to the back. You got LED lighting, pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, ladder of course, and it does have a hitch with a 4-point plug-in as well. All right, driver's side, this slide out is on a standard rack and pinion system. Out back is where you have the outlet for the gray water. These do not have frameless windows, but standard windows are nice because you can actually open them to get some cross ventilation going. Up here is where you have your 50 amp power cord plug-in. Access to the front storage on the other side. This is where your other propane tank is, and the bedroom slide out is on a Schwintek system. Take a peek at this front storage again. This is where you have your hookups for the water and your black and gray water holding tank pull valves. You also have an outdoor shower. Here's where your auto leveling controls are and battery disconnect. All right, now we'll go check out the inside. All right, moving inside, just a quick note. My wife actually wanted me to do a tour of this model. She really likes this layout. We are going to be in the market for a fifth wheel in a few years, and she wants to add this one to the list. So it's rear living and back, obviously, and bedroom up front. Give you a little tour here. Apologize for it being so dark. These are not plugged in, so I'm not able to put all the lights on. All right, so the kitchen is in back here, and you do have a residential style whirlpool fridge with some cabinetry above that. We thought this was unique, this little sink kind of put into the corner here. Gives you a decent counter spot around each side, and then up front you get a little elevated storage too. This does have a water filtration system where you can actually put a bottle of drinking water in the front storage, and then it will cycle it through to here. So a dual basin stainless steel sink, residential style pull out faucet there. Here's what the storage looks like underneath. There's that water jug. So, oh, and this actually comes with a garbage can. Kind of nice. All right, and then off to the side here, this is a huge center island with storage underneath, and we really love the fact that it has built-in countertop with some stools for a separate eating area. and has a Furrion, kind of your basic RV stove with a high point convection oven above that. Good sized pantry off to the side here. And I like that you can adjust the shelves to different heights as well. Here's your entertainment center. Kind of your standard 50-inch TV. Speakers underneath and a 34-inch fireplace. Block this light out. So here is your kind of your standard dinette with freestanding. And here's your dinette. It's set up with 2 chairs, but obviously it comes with 4. It does have a little flip out extension, so you can make the table bigger, obviously. Let's look at the numbers. Retail is $76,000. They have it on sale for $62,000. All right, and then here you have your Stacy Stewart theater style seating. Recliners with cup holders, little storage area for remotes in between. We sat in them, they're very comfortable. And then up front here, you kind of have a love seat that would fold out into a bed. Above that, some good cabinetry. All right, we'll move back towards the bedroom here, or up towards the bedroom. All right, so here's the bathroom. Decent style, or decent size sink and counter space. All right, moving up towards the bedroom and bathroom area. Kind of your standard fifth wheel bathroom, decent size. Got an okay amount of counter space on each side of the sink. And a medicine cabinet is there. It's a 2-piece shower, but it does have a seat in it. And a porcelain toilet. Spot for hanging. And here's storage for towels or whatnot. All right, moving to the bedroom. All right, so up front here you got your TV, dresser, so you got 3 big drawers and 4 little ones. Your standard closet up front, that's the box for the TV. You got hanging, you got a shelf up top, more shelves behind. And then I don't know if you can see it, I apologize for it being so dark again, but you got a couple corner shelves as well. It is prepped for washer dryer. You would just have to remove these shelves here. And this is set up with a queen size bed, which we actually prefer. It's plenty of room for us, and it just gives you a lot more ability to walk around. This actually has really good amount of space to walk along each side of the bed. Got some power outlets down below, some nightstands, a little cubby storage underneath. You got some controls for your lights over there. That is the bedroom. Okay, so that is the Jayco Eagle 319 ML. Okay. Again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.